legend. The song I'll be doing is Send Down the Rain by Majek Fashek. Aside me doing the whole slow, lovey-dovey kind of song, I wanted to do something vibey. It's another way for me to express and show you guys another form of LJ, Emmanuel. For the tour, I had this whole time. I mean, I felt like a legend, sorry, a celeb, for once. It's sweet, so to all of you guys who even celeb that are there, this is what you will enjoy.
Determined to show his diversity, singing the song Send Down the Rain by Majek Fashek, here's Emmanuel.
The sky looks misty and cloudy. Looks like the rain's gonna fall today. Since morning I've been sowing my seed, waiting for the rain to drop the words I know. Oh, God. 'Cause I'm a hungry man. I don't wanna be angry. So send down the rain to water up my seed, yeah. 'Cause I'm a living man, got a lot of what to do. Send down the rain. Woo! Yo. Yo. Send down the rain. Now listen, every time in life has got its time and season. So don't you go asking me why. You don't expect to sow cassava and you reap cocoyam. You don't expect to sow rice and you reap cassava. See, whatsoever I so wet in this world, oh surely he shall reap. Now you listen, 60 mama, baby, got a lot of what to do. Send down the rain. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Pa, yo! Yeah, yo! Send down the rain. Living, yeah! Mama, yo! Send down the rain. Who just send down the rain?
Oh my God.
Yo, Emmanuel, amazing. What is that? Please, can someone check if it's raining outside? Well done, well done, well done, well done, well done.